We are at the Aquacolors Aqua Park near Porridge, Croatia. The skies are beautiful as we hit the perfect day. As of now, it is considered one of the largest water parks in Europe. It includes many different attractions like water slides, wave pool, lazy river and a kids corner. It was opened in 2015 and covers an area of 10 hectares or 25 acres. The big one in front is Magicon, and on the right you can see family rafting slide. I must admit immediately, Magicon is pretty awesome and one of the best rides I tasted in the park. Essentially, it is a water slide with a huge drop where you are literally lifted in the air. It is also known as the king of the slides. The neat thing is that up to 4 persons can ride at the same time, so you can have a huge fun together. It is though a bit extreme, but once you get used to it, you can get enough. We continue our walk around the park. Along the way, you will be able to see different attractions. We stop on some of them and you will be able to take a closer look too. The entry price is fairly reasonable, ranging from 29 to 36 euro. I recommend going off season, as you can get many discounts, and also it is a bit less crowded too, so you don't have to wait as much in the line for the slides. In front is a basic restaurant where you can get burgers, pizzas, ice creams and take something for a drink. The price is a bit higher, so I recommend bringing some food and drinks with you. In a minute we will come to the wave pool. The pool creates artificial waves so you can dive directly onto them. The wave pool consists of a pebble beach and the pool. The cool thing is that you can rest under the parasols and sunshades, and when you get bored you can jump straight for a swim to cool off. Every hour the pool creates artificial waves. They are around 1 meter in height, so it's really fun and you can experience big waves without worrying to be hurt. bridge you can see the famous lazy river. It is the ultimate chill and relax. You lay down in an air wheel and are slowly pushed along the water that goes around the park. We will get back to it a bit later. First, let us continue and see some of the other attractions. The path ahead leads to the Crocodile Cave Bar, Crocodile Bay and Windigo. Crocodile Bay is a really big luxury pool and wellness with over than 140 benches and sunbeds. Crocodile Cave Bar is essentially a big pool in a cave. Sounds pretty amazing, right? There you can order cocktails, sit and relax, or take them back to the benches. Now we come to the most intense slides. In front we have a green giant, the Turbulence. It is one of the most extreme water slides in the park. Divided into two parts, the first one is a steep descent pushing you into a straight wall. The second one is a bit easier though. You end up in a big ball circulating a few times. Next up is the mentioned lazy river. It is a forced river that slowly pushes the water through a set of pumps. It is long 500 meters and lasts around 20 minutes to complete. At the start you choose from two different air wheels, a single or double-seater, and slowly progress as the river carries you.
Okay. Je uključeno? Nemoj. Sad ću ja snimat za ovo vrijeme.
Ne vidiš šta sam napravio.
Adrian, čekaj, snimi.
Čekaj. Tu!
Moraš se...
Ne!
We slowly return to the main part of the park, the area with most attractions. First, we have looping rockets, one among the most extreme slides. You stand in a capsule where at some point it is released to let you go in a free fall. Pretty scary. Next up we have Spheres, Multisurf and the Black Hole. Spheres covers a dark area where you have to find your way out, or let the water push you. Multisurf is a race slide for multiple persons, to race each other out and see who is faster. Black Hole is a casual ride for all the visitors, with special effects and light attractions. The uphill navigator is one of the coolest slides. You go up, down in an unpredictable flow of water to catch different perspective of aquacolors.
Here is the extreme.
That was it for this time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Like, subscribe, and until next time. And yes, last but not least, the kids' water playground. Features towers, bridges and little water slides. Perfect for children, but for everyone too. A da, ne znam da li daju da se zakači.